Hey loves, it's your girl Beautiful Yaz, and in this video I will be showing you how to fix a hole in your frontal. All you need is needle and thread, regular needle and thread that you would like sew a hole in your clothing with. So I have my needle and thread here, and I'm just gonna put the needle in from one side to the next, and I'm just gonna keep I'm gonna pull it through and keep continuing to do that. Put it through one side, through the next, and just pull the needle up like so. But yeah, this is pretty self-explanatory, and I always say I could show you guys better than I could tell you. So just keep on watching and you will see how you can how this could easily be like a little quick fix. So don't throw your frontals away if they have holes in them. So this is how it looks after I finish stitching it. Then I'm just going to flip it over to show you guys how it looks on the other side. And as you can see that the thread is there because it's black. I will link down below in the description box where you can purchase some invisible thread, and that way you really won't be able to see it at all. But this is also a quick fix because I'm just going to put some makeup on the thread. So I'm going to cut it. Double knot it, and then cut the remaining strings. And voila, we're done. No more holes. Just that easy. So to fix this and make sure it looks nice and neat, well, first I'm going to repart it. And if you don't want to see the thread at all, then of course you can just repart it in a different section. But I'm going to leave it in that section just for the sake of this video so you guys can see how it will look. So I will part it, and then I'll use my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Warm Honey, and I'll just go through the part with it on top and underneath. But before I do the underneath part, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty foundation. Oh, first I did do the underneath part where the thread is, but afterwards you'll see. I'll show you guys how I did the part with the concealer. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty and my makeup brush, and I'm just going to brush the entire inside of the lace. I'll put it in the description box below the color that I used. So that also helps to cover up the thread being shown. So this is how it looks so far after I put a little bit of concealer on the part and foundation underneath where the lace is. I'm just going to add a little bit more to try to get it to make it look as realistic as possible, and pluck a little bit of hairs here and there, and voila, this is how it looks. Didn't realize my lighting was so bright. But I'll show you guys another clip so you can see coming right up after this. So this is how the inside looks. I did put concealer down the middle of the part. This is how it looks on the other side. That's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.